We say that there are 7 secrets to sales success. These factors are practiced by all of the highest paid salespeople every day. The regular application of these principles is virtually guaranteed to move you to the top of your field and enable you to achieve your career and financial goals. The first secret to sales success is to get serious. Make a decision to go all the way to the top of your field. There's no one and nothing that can hold you back from being the best and achieving your career goals except yourself once you get serious. Second, identify your limiting skill to sales success. Identify the weakest single skill that's holding you back and make a plan to become absolutely excellent in this area. Ask yourself and your boss, what one skill, if I developed and did it consistently in an excellent fashion, would have the greatest positive impact on my sales? Whatever your answer to this question, write it down, set a deadline, make a plan, and then work on developing that skill every day. This decision alone can change your life. The third secret to sales success is to get around the right people. Associate with men and women who are going somewhere with their lives. Get away from negative people. They drag you down, they tire you out, they distract you, and they discourage you. And they lead you inevitably to underachievement and failure. Fourth, take excellent care of your physical health. You need high levels of energy to sell effectively and to bounce back from continual rejection and discouragement. Be sure to eat the right foods and get the right amount of exercise and get plenty of rest and recreation. The fifth secret is to visualize yourself as one of the top salespeople in your field. Imagine yourself performing at your best all day long. Imagine achieving your career goals. These clear mental pictures pre-program your mind and motivate you to sell at your best in any situation. Sixth, practice a positive attitude and positive self-talk continually. Control your inner dialogue. Talk to yourself the way you want to be talked to. Say things like, I like myself. I love my work. I'm the best. I can do it. Keep talking to yourself. Be your own cheerleader. The seventh and final secret to sales success is for you to take positive action towards your career goals every single day. Be proactive rather than reactive. Grab the bull by the horns. If you're not happy with your income, get out there and get face-to-face with more customers. If you're not happy with any part of your life, accept responsibility and take charge. By following my 7 secrets to sales success, you'll develop a positive attitude and you'll be happier and more effective. The more you take control of your entire life, you're virtually guaranteed that you will achieve your career goals, be one of the top performers, and one of the highest paid people in your field. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends.